The Presto Kitchen Kettle Deep Fryer Multi-Cooker is so versatile, you'll use it every day. Deep fry up to 6 servings of French fries, steam vegetables, roast beef, pork or poultry, boil pasta, and more. The basket is ideal for steaming or blanching vegetables and deep frying. It hooks onto the rim for easy draining. The tempered glass cover lets you see food as it cooks and is handy for use as a buffet server. The Control Master heat control maintains the proper cooking temperature automatically. The heavy cast aluminum base assures even cooking. It is coated inside and out with a PFAS-free ceramic coating for both stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. With the heat control removed, the pot, cover, and basket are fully immersible. Add versatility to your kitchen with the Kitchen Kettle Deep Fryer Multi-Cooker. From Presto.